Sinayaw-sayawan at minaliit sa sariling balwarte ang ating kababayan, kaya't 4 na beses pinabagsak at binugbog ng gusto ng ating pambato ang Tanzanian boxer. Kilalanin natin ang boksingerong mula pa sa Zamboanga del Sur na si Judy Pretty Boy Maraon. Well, bago po natin simulan, silipin po muna natin ang record ng dalawa. Ang Tanzanian boxer na si Anthony Matias may 23 na panalo, 11 dito ay knockout, habang ang ating kababayan may malinis na 13 panalo, 11 dito ay tinapos via knockout. May kayabangan nga po at medyo patawa ang kaharap ni Rudy Maraon. Kahit paulit-ulit pabagsakin, nagagawa pang sumayaw. Atin pong panurin kung saan kakatunog-tunog pa lamang ng bell, bagsak agad ang kalaban.
And a loss here will derail plans that would pit him against maybe the junior bantamweight champion of the world.
And Pretty Boy Maraon is coming off a crushing third round knockout over Jason Nogueira. Sa mga hindi po nakapanood, kung paano po humilata si Ricky Hatton against Manny Pacquiao, mas grabe pa yung nangyari ron.
Actually, look at that!
That fast.
Hindi pa tapos si Judy Maraon. Hindi pa tapos si Dennis.
Another left by Judy Maraon, and medyo nadulas doon si Judy Maraon. Now is going for the kill. That's the right thing to do. Hindi siya nanggigigil. Showing maturity. Another left by Judy Maraon.
That left is really powerful.
Oh,
talagang malakas na
and Matias is dazed. Body shot by Maraon. Another left by Judy. And now Judy going for the kill. Matias is in deep trouble.
Judy Maraon going to the midsection. Good left, a good right there by Matias.
And derail any attempt of Maraon to connect that left, but he again connects with the strong left combination, body shot. Everything being thrown now by Judy.
Na nagpabagsak kay Matias. A good left straight to the face.
Malapad at matangkad si Maraon for a bantamweight. Waiting for the right moment. Exactly what he did in the first round when he scored that knockdown. And that's more of a slip. That's actually a clear slip. Medyo basa yung corners. Oh, that was a good shot to the body by Matias. Combination by Maraon.
Binabantayan na ni Matias ngayon yung kaliwa ni Judy Maraon.
Oh, pero kung bababa pa ito yung super flyweight, terrifying na ito.
Yes. Good left again by Judy Maraon. Staggers African.
Sa pa rin si Matias.
Good left. Good section.
Tapos palaban pa rin. Bumabalik pa rin si Matias.
Oh! Another left in the head. And Matias goes down again to the canvas for the second time in this fight.
Dazed. One more. Could be the end of it. There again. There's the left of Judy Maraon. And we're under 1 minute in the second round. This is a 12-round encounter, and most likely it will be a short night.
It could be a short night.
Bumabalik pa rin. Kumaka-counter pa rin si Matias. There's another left.
And nakita mo yung second knockdown na Dennis. Actually sa noo, tumama. Baksa pa rin yung...
Alam mo, this was how Manny Pacquiao started. No? Puro ganun lang. Kaliwa, kaliwa.
Right.
Kaliwa.
Right.
All power. That perfectly timed left that floored the tough puzzle for Matias to solve. Now, Maraon showing us that he's got power also sa kanan. He's now using his right hand, especially those body shots.
Good left there by Matias.
That was a good left jab. Stinging.
Good left there by Judy Maraon. Oh, tumama yung Matias. Tumama yung jab.
Dalawa. Body shot by Maraon.
Oh, good left.
Oh, another left.
Yes. And I think it's all over.
Could be. This could be the end of the fight. Going for the kill. Judy Maraon, body shot. Countless blows being delivered by Judy Maraon. He's trying to go for the kill. And Matias hanging on. Good life. Combination by Maraon. realizing that this is the right moment for him. His best chance to score another stoppage. This is the same round that he stopped Jason Nogueira for this same title by Matias.
Oh!
That could
There's
be
another left.
Uy, pero tumayo pa rin si Matias. Parang tinulak lang. But that's the third time that Matias has been floored in this fight. He's a fighter in black.
A good left, right straight there by Anthony Matias. I am surprised and amazed at the resilience.
Sturdy, fighter.
Oh yes. You have to give it to him. Lumapang na, pagtayo, sasayaw-sayaw pa. But I think it's just a matter of time, because good left to the midsection by Jundi Marao.
When it comes to skills, power, lahat na kay Jundi Marao. It's to his advantage. Pero minsan talaga kapag ka-fighters well-conditioned, no? Hindi mo basta-basta rin mapapabagsak eh. Like Anthony Matias. That left straight of Jundi Marao. There's that another left straight. Alam mo, mas improve yung timing ko ba ni Marao ngayon compared to his last 3 fights. If only he can add more power to that right hand, no?
Actually, may power yung right hand niya. Kaya lang nakikita niya siguro na tumatama yung kaliwa.
Yung kaliwa. So, yun na lang muna.
Sabi ko rin na, why spoil the broth?
Ito na. Tumama na naman. I think he tagged Matias with the left straight and hurt Tanzanian.
Again.
Pero nandun pa rin.
I can imagine how the Tanzanian feels right now. Those are not ordinary lefts that he's getting from By the way, we're using Tibay gloves made in Cebu. And this is the first time actually, or second time actually, that we're using this in a big boxing event. And we're doing this to support Filipino entrepreneurship and, of course, creativity.
Back is still delivering some counter shots. Anthony Matias.
Break.
Matias in black, Maraon in red. The undefeated fighter from Braveheart Boxing Club, Jundi Maraon, Southpaw. He's the reigning regional champion in the bantamweight division, and that title is at stake in this 12-round fight, and that's the end of this round. And the Tanzanian fight ascended, but definitely it's total domination on the part of Jundi. Downs he scored each in the first, second, and third rounds. And the rest of the rounds is
another knockdown.
Pero tayo agad. But this time,
I think he's hurt. I think he's hurt. There's no more dancing. No more dancing. No more dancing for Anthony Matias.
Pero biglang tumayo si Matias, ha? There again, at left of Jundi Marao, specialty of the house. More lefts, and that's it.
It's all over. It's all over.
Inihinto na nga po ng referee ang laban dahil halos bugbugin na lang ni Jundi Maraon ang kalaban, ngunit nagalit pa nga po ito at gusto pang magpagulpi na panatili ng ating kababayan ang WBO Asia Pacific Bantamweight title sa Kengkoy na kalaban. Sana nga po ay nagustuhan nyo ang video na to mga sir. Hanggang dito na lang po muna. Emilner Sports nga po pala. At muli, salamat.